JavaScript charAt method returns the character at a specified index or position in a string. For example, if I have a variable named text whose value is set to how to code school. Now I will use JavaScript charAt method to find out the character present at the index 0 or at first place of my string. I will use alert function to display the result. Now if I refresh the page, it says H, which is the first character in my string. Now let's just change the index value to 14. We can see that it has displayed L this time, which is our last character, and its index is 14. Remember that the first character index is always 0 and so on. Like in this example, if I set the index to 5, the answer is C, which is the 6th character in my string. I hope you'd find this helpful.